This week, we are going to be learning how to be safe when we are online on a computer. And we're going to be doing this through some videos about a dolphin named Hector and his friends. This is called Hector's World. We're going to be doing it through a site called Edpuzzle. So I will pull up this page for you, and you're going to have to click log in up here in the corner. And then you are a student, so you're going to click on the little kid. Now, we're going to log in with our username, just like we have been logging in to typing and to Teacher Monster to Read. And I find that on my login card highlighted in yellow. So I'm going to sign into the account that I have ready. And then your password is going to be JCPS, but then I had to add a 1, 2, 3, 4 because JCPS wasn't long enough for this account. So JCPS is like what you know, but then we have to add a 1, 2, 3, 4 on it. And I can put that on the board so you remember. So I'm going to log in. And now I see my first assignment right here. It says Hector's World Part 1. I have watched 0% of the video. It shows me there's 4 questions I'm going to have to answer, and right now I have 0 of the questions correct because I haven't answered any of them yet. So I click on the little blue start button, and then I'm going to click play to watch my video. Hector's World has a very catchy song at the very beginning of each episode, and it is the same at the beginning of each episode, even though each one is a different story and we're learning different lessons about being safe online. So I hit play and I'm going to watch the video. Now, it will not let me skip through. If I try, it says it's locked. But I am going to play, but I'm going to pause until it gets to the green box. Once it gets to a green box with a question mark, there is a question about the part of the video that you just watched you have to answer. And you will hear my voice reading the questions to you. The only thing is, I think the answer choices come up in a different order sometimes, so it might not be in the order that I read it. So you got to pay attention to what you're doing so you make sure you click the answer choice that you really want, because I will be taking a grade on each of these videos and questions that you answer that go along with it. So I would pick which answer I want, and then I click the little green submit button, and then my video will keep playing until I get to the end. When I am totally done, then the next day we'll log in and we'll do part 2. And we'll keep going until we finish all of our Hector's World activities.